What is one of the top amenities in 2021? It has nothing to do with the house at all. It is the outdoors and the space that surrounds it. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway, Fox & Roach, and I specialize in the mainline luxury real estate and curb appeal. The mainline is notorious for incredible outdoor spaces, and I wanted to share some of the top gardening trends in 2021 to make your home stand out against others for sale. Top trend number one is a wild and easy to grow garden. So many people are taking up gardening, and wildflowers grow like weeds on the main line. So these type of beds are really easy to grow, and they frame the outdoor living space. Top trend two is sustainable gardens. Think mulch, low maintenance plants, and local plants. It is best to consult an expert to help design a sustainable garden, but luckily you just would need to head over to a botanical garden of your choice of referrals. Top trend number three is monocolor gardening. So choose a color and a plant around it. Be sure that you understand the seasons and what will bloom, but one color is an easy and sure bet, especially for upkeep. Top trend number four is growing food in all sorts of places. You no longer need raised beds or organized plots for growing vegetables. You can grow in containers, inside, and have living walls to be part of your decor. Gardening and green living things in your immediate surroundings is proven time and time again to increase well-being, and is one of the last things people think of when it comes to curb appeal. But trust me, it really helps sell your home and to have lots of greenery. Speaking of selling, take a look at my book if you are thinking of selling on the main line and found this useful. Remember, Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.